In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Please Donate. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, if you want to make a game pass for Please Donate, you don't want to actually do it inside of the game. So what you want to do is swipe out of this and then just go over to your browser of choice. I'll be using Google Chrome for this method. Once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is go to search and then type in create.roblox.com, and then it's going to open up this page right here. What you want to do if you haven't made an experience is go ahead and make one. I already have one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this. It's going to show my experience, and on the top right I'm going to see there's three little lines, so go ahead and click on those. Then all you want to do is scroll down from here until you see monetization, and the third option in that is passes. So if you want to make a game pass, as you can see I already have a few right here. All you got to do is go ahead and press the blue button, which is create a pass. Now from here all you got to do is give it a name. So let me just say Please Donate Test, anything like that. You can obviously name it whatever you want, customize it. You can give it a description and also an image if you want to, and then once you're happy with it, all you got to do is press create pass, and that pass is going to be made, and then you can basically just connect it to whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. I can edit it if I want to as well, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.